chasing, running, and dying are the hallmarks of all in the animal world. As what animal will it be today? The python is the main character, as all pythons are carnivores, and with their food being small animals such as lizards, birds, or smaller mammals like fish, insects, and snails. The pythons kill their prey by swallowing them alive, or by wrapping and twisting them, confronting the lion. The lion had roared with the desire to challenge its prey. As the python is squeezing another animal, the war has not yet begun. As the lion was still standing there and witnessed everything, as every action of the python had appeared in front of the lion's eyes. As the moment the python swallows other animals into its stomach, the lion probably shudders because it understands that if it loses, the next character will be in the python's belly. But no, the lion and the python had started fighting each other. As the python quickly gripped the lion, and the lion was also quick to respond, and a few minutes later, the lion and its friends bit the python to death. As the python had failed and became the lion's meal. Pythons fall into the gaze of the leopard. Which one will have to die? As the python is drinking water next to the lake, the leopard approaches behind the python with the aim of killing the prey, standing in front of it. As the python knows that it is in danger, and it tries to run away, but the leopard does not give up that easily, as it gets closer to their prey. As it does not hesitate to attack the python immediately. And so the leopard uses its strength and its teeth to drag the prey towards the water source, as an act of pardoning the prey is very gruesome. As the python cried out in pain, but there was no help, as the leopard still shows its majesty, flaunting its own power. As the python, for a moment, had broken out of the leopard's grasp. But the battle of these two animals continues, as the python in the bushes and the leopards outside, both animals delivered the fatal blows. As the leopards try to find a way to get their prey outside, and in the end, the hard work had paid off, and it was the leopard that helped it, and one by one, its claws cut into the flesh of its prey. As this action is so fast that only those who are really paying attention can see it. As the war still has no end, and the leopards still antagonize the pythons. As the python tries to squeeze the leopard, and the leopard tries to kill the python instantly, as each animal has its own purpose. And the python had threw the leopard away with an uncompromising expression. As the leopard dared to rush at his prey to avenge that reckless act. As the two animals had curled up together, trying to attack each other until the very last minute. As every war must have an end, and the image of the python lying motionless and holding its body under the leopard's hand understood what had happened. As the leopard had killed the python, and it is the effort and not giving up that helps to win the victory over their